Don't worry, I'll wait because I want to make sure audio is good. So if you can hear me loud and clear, there we go. So Miss Rebecca can hear me. And I know that Miss Denise Jonathan's on the line. I see that you are so happy and grateful that you was able to log in, and you know that we love you too. So I want to say gratitude to each and last one of you for being on the line this evening on a Sunday. On a Sunday, getting the week ahead, getting the schedule together, just learning everything that you need to know for the week ahead. So congratulations to each and last one of you on the line. So for those of you who do not know me, my name is Makisha Styles, also known as Keish. Now the pleasure of being your co-host here this evening. Now the person I'm about to bring to the line, because I want to make sure, of course, that the temperature is right, because it's Sunday, we all should be feeling good. You're at the start of the week. So I want to do a temperature check on the chat. So put some fires in the chat, keep them going. The longer you hear my voice, keep the fires coming, because I want to make sure the temperature is perfect for this individual I'm about to bring into the line. It's about to give you some serious knowledge. The person who we wouldn't even be here, okay? We wouldn't even be here right now in the Hidden Wealth Society if it was not for this individual having a vision for this powerful community, this powerful society that we have here. He's always working day in, day night, day in, day out. I think that's the proper word, right? And he's just always here for our society members. And I see the fires coming through the chat. I know that we have serious admiration, serious love for this individual. So without further ado, I want to bring to the line the powerful, the phenomenal, our CEO of Hidden Wealth Society, Mr. Akil Bey. Sir, are you on the line?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Welcome, 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 welcome. Let's go ahead and get some fires and some hearts. Ah, man, for our executive administrator, Miss Makisha Styles, for all that she do. She is on it, ladies and gents. Consistency, the definition, you will go and look it up and you will see her flexing her auntie muscles in the dictionary for consistency. So I'm super, super, super excited for each and every one of you all. I'm super excited for this week that's coming up. Well, the beginning of this week is going to be absolutely amazing. Just like last week and the week before, right? That's how we got to start it off. So first and foremost, I want to welcome everyone that made the decision to join us. This is the right place, right time. Doesn't matter about your background, your religion, doesn't matter about the color of your skin, doesn't matter about your culture, doesn't matter about your preference, doesn't matter about any of those things. The only thing that matters is you come with a positive energy to get a positive result. We compound everything, and the positive things we love to compound the most. All right. So with that said, let's go ahead and look at the schedule for this week. So I'm going to pass it back to our executive administrator, put some fires and some sevens and whatever you want to put in the chat for our executive administrator, Miss Makisha Styles.
Gratitude, Mr. Bay, gratitude. I'm glad to be right back on the line for you all. So once again, we'd like to welcome all of our new society members. Welcome back to all those who have been with us from the start. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What I'm going to do right now, because I know especially with our new people, y'all was like, wow, I'm loving this platform, but I kind of need to know exactly where to find the schedule, where to find the training center, where to just get to all of my classes. This part is for you, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to log in just like you are right now logged in. You're going to come back here to your back office. So anytime we say back office, this is what we're referring to. The first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and look at your training center. So your training center is the first tab if you're on your cell phone, okay? So you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, give it time to load. Right here at the top, right here is where you're going to find every class. So once I go over the schedule and you're like, hey, what's the Zoom password in case we change it? It is always right here. You click on select, not going to click on it because we're recording right now, but you click on that and it will always give you the Zoom password, okay? You come down a little step further, you're like, wow, I want a full overview of the whole platform. You watch this video. Anytime we're saying, hey, make sure you get in your academy, watch the videos, this is what we're referring to. This is your Forex education, okay? When we talk about, hey, it's a video in the back office that goes over how to open up your live account, how to set up your demo, how to modify your stop losses, take profits, anything like that. Where is it located? Right here, okay? You have your other courses, money management, trauma counseling, everything is right here. So when we say everything is recorded, we're talking about the archive sessions. So for those of you who have just locked arms with us, you're like, man, I need to make sure I catch up. Everything is recorded, okay? Whether it's our New York live sessions, where it's our back to the basics, mindset, it does not matter. Everything is recorded, okay? So if everyone understands and overstands and understands how to access your academy, put a 2 in the chat. So I know that we are good to go, all right? Put a 2 in the chat if you all understand it. There we go. All right. Okay, y'all doing good. Perfect. So remember, for our new members, access your academy, click on start training, or you click on training center, and you are good to go. Now let's move ahead to the schedule for the week. So with our schedule, every Monday through Thursday is our above below calls. That is where you'll learn the most simple strategy that we have here in the Hidden Wealth Society. So simple that my 9-year-old nephew can teach it in just in and out. Okay, so that is our above below strategy. Make sure you hop on that. It's taught by our CEO and also to our CFO, so you know you're getting some true knowledge. And then we move on down to 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. You're getting our live session when it comes to trading that NAS 100 from our CEO and also to our CFO as well. That's our New York trading session. If you have not listened in on it or you want to prepare for tomorrow, watch your recording in the back office and it'll get you right up to speed, okay? Sunday, you're here right now. That is our week ahead at 7 p.m. Eastern Time every single Sunday. So for those who are on the line, good job for you. You're already a week ahead. So on Mondays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, that is our Back to the Basics, a phenomenal call to be on if you're like, hey, how do I modify things? How do I set up for the New York session? How do I do just any particular thing? You want to be on that Back to the Basics session because it is going to prepare you for the rest of our class for the week, okay? That is every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. On Tuesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Times, Monday, my bad, I skipped the whole day, didn't I? Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time is our Monday night markups where our CEO comes on. He marks up charts for us. If you're just now locking arms with us, we have already collected over 25,000 pips. And that's just last week alone. So make sure you're on that Monday night markups called at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. On Tuesday is our money management where our CFO, Miss Dunn, you definitely want to be on there because if you want to get your credit correct, she is going to help you with that. She gives us the forms that we need, the numbers we need to call. Every single thing you need is on Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. That is our money management. Then we come right back on Wednesday for Win Wednesdays. We do more chart markups. We calculate all our pippage for the week. And that is on Win Wednesday. So you definitely want to be on that class as well. Thursday, phenomenal, powerful class. Because without that, we wouldn't even be able to calculate all these pips and have the just a mindset to get there, right? So on Thursdays is our trauma healing class at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You definitely want to be on that with Miss Shelton. And then we closed out on Friday with our recap Fridays at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, where we're going over all of the just everything we did for the entire week and just get you pumped up for the weekend, then bring you right back here Sunday to get you started for the week. So if everyone understands the schedule, everyone understands how to access your training center, and if you understand too how to access your live classes, put a 3 in the chat so I know that we are good to go. Good. Okay. Oh, Mr. Hayes already on it. Okay, y'all are fast today. I love it. All right. But remember, for our new members, if you missed any of this, okay, 'cause I know I talk fast sometimes, everything's recorded inside the training center. So what I'm going to do is pass it right back to our phenomenal CEO, Mr. Day.
Outstanding, outstanding. I appreciate you and everything that you do. Go ahead and put some 7s in the chat for Miss Styles. I was about to say CFO, our executive administrator. Outstanding, outstanding, outstanding. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so we're just to remind us, Montego Bay is coming up October 26th through the 30th. Congratulations again for Miss Siobhan Allen for winning that trip, being the #1 student when it comes to points in the back office. Congratulations again. We do have one spot left for Montego Bay. We do have one spot left, and I just want to make sure that that one spot is confirmed. Ms. Dunn, our CFO, do we still have that one spot left?
We still have one spot left. Thank you.
Okay, outstanding. So you heard it from the CFO. We have one spot left. Of course, we do have the Hidden Wealth Society trading journals are available in the back office. Of course, the one-on-one coaching sessions are available, and the new the new 3 and free program is still available. So if you want your membership free for next a cycle of your payment, so you could have it for free, just introduce 3 people into the Hidden Wealth Society. Of course, the 7-day trial is still on. Congratulations to those of you all that's taking advantage of that. $4.95 for your setup fee, but you have 7 days free. Then after the 7th day, if you don't choose to cancel, you will be charged $195.99. Okay, and then of course, The 5K referral race is still on. We do have the $150 to six-figure challenge. It's still close to that date, the 26th, actually, when we get to Jamaica. Congratulations on you all that's been participating and been profiting in that and learning, of course. And then below 8 a.m., which we Ms. Styles went over tomorrow morning, New York session. We start back tomorrow morning. So I'm excited about that. This week, I just want everyone to put this in their notes. Be consistent. Just be consistent. Be consistent. You will see a change if you are consistent. I know it may seem for some of you all, you're new, it may seem like it's not working, or for some of you all, you're just figuring it out. But believe me when I say it, if you continue on your path, with the consistency, you will see a difference. You will learn a lot more. Don't be distracted by distractions. Okay. Just continue on the path of being consistent, because if you stop, guess what? You probably stopped at something before and you're consistent at everything else. You get the results from consistency. Consistency. You are where you are right now because of consistency. Once again, consistency. That's the word of the week. I want you all just to, look at it, read about it, do whatever you have to do to study that so that you can understand the power of it. Consistency, consistency, consistency. So with that said, it is 7:12. These Sunday calls are not long. It's just letting you know what we're about this week and what we expect this week and where we're going to be this week and how we're going to win this week and how we're going to be consistent another week, right? So we're super, super excited for each and every one of you all. Enjoy the rest of your evening, right? Starting a brand new week, and put a smile on someone's face, starting with your own. As always, peace, love, and freedom.